Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in this video I'll be talking about how long it takes to get monetized as a finance YouTuber. Coming in. It's your boy Matthew Michael, and I'm coming at you with great joy because, as you may have noticed, there was an ad before this video. After all this time and hard work, your boy finally acquired a new income stream. For those of you who are new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you do not miss any future content or giveaways. I post a new video every Saturday, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, while you're down there, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, smash that like button. It really helps to push this video and grow the family even more. Also, if you have an Instagram as well, follow me there at Matthew Michael Money. Feel free to DM me, I love talking to you guys. But without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, so maybe you're thinking about starting your own YouTube channel to make a little extra money, but you're not sure what it takes or don't know if it's something you want to do. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to start by taking a look at the basics, the minimum that you need to be monetized for YouTube. So getting all the basic information out of the way, the minimum that you need to be monetized on YouTube is you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 watch hours. That's the equivalent of being watched 240,000 minutes or 167 days. And all of this needs to be achieved within a year. Actually, subscribers, you don't have to get 1,000 a year, but you do have to have 4,000 watch hours within the last 365 days. And to be real with you guys, I thought it would happen a lot sooner. I thought maybe after 4 months, I would be monetized. But when I posted my first finance video about how to make a simple budget for beginners. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Matthew Michael, and today I'm going to tell you about how to make a budget in 2019. I quickly found out that this would not be the case. I remember I shared the video with all my social media, Instagram, Facebook. I don't have a Twitter, but I shared it with all my social media, my family, friends. Surely we will get some views off this. And to this day, the video only has 89 views on it. And in the beginning, the next few videos I did, they didn't really do too much better. In fact, I actually think they did a bit worse. But nevertheless, I kept going. After 4 months of stagnation and no growth, I finally started seeing progress. And when I first created this YouTube channel, it was for a project back in high school. I don't know, something for speech. All that old stuff doesn't really matter. But when I started posting more frequently to this channel a little over a year ago, it was really just to document the journey, show everything that I'm learning, and help others see the start all the way up to where I am now and where I'll be in the future. Because I'm going to tell you right now, just a humble brag, I'm destined for greatness because I manifested it. I post these videos so that others can see that if I was here back then, that anyone can do this. I post these videos in hopes of empowering people. I post these videos in hopes of empowering people and showing people that they can do it too. And I was also searching for a community of like-minded individuals who had the same ideals as me, were pushing towards growing, saving, building something big so that they don't have to work the rest of their life. I'm going to tell y'all right now, I don't want to work. I'll give it like 5 years max, but I don't want to work for anyone but myself. I'll do it for a couple of years, but taking orders from someone else is not for me. So finding out how to do it faster was definitely something I wanted to do. And where I was in the present, last year I was in college. A lot of people in college, they get money from their parents and they just take it, they spend it. I have a lot of friends who get money every week from their parents. And I'm out here rationing my money to, I'm already budgeting, making my money, like stretching my dollar. And I'm really just trying to figure out how to save it and grow it because I haven't really been working while I've been out in college. I'm 100% financially independent now. Thank you, Mom and Dad. I'm so grateful because if you hadn't done this now, who knows when I would have learned. Really, I just knew I needed to switch my environment from being around people who spend money they don't have. Really, I spend a lot more time with myself. I have a few friends now, but really I'm not just going out and spending money all the time and just throwing myself in deeper debt. It's really been amazing. I found some nice communities, but back to what we should be talking about. When I found out that I could make money on YouTube and it could actually pay decent, I decided to go at it 100% full speed. In the beginning on my channel, I was thinking about doing either photography or finance because those are two things I'm passionate about. And I saw on YouTube that finance YouTubers got paid more, and it's something I wanted to learn more about, so I was like, I'm committing to this, and I was just like, I am going to grow so much. And my thing was focus on it 2 years. If I don't like the results, I give it up. I'm 1 year in and I absolutely love where I'm at. I love the connections I made. So I'm going to say no matter what you're thinking about doing, I say focus on it for 2 years, and if you don't like it, then let go. But I'm letting y'all know I absolutely love this. Found what niche I wanted to be in. Now I had to get some subscribers. From the first finance video I posted in December, it took me 10 months, and then on October 16th, 2019, I hit 1,000 subscribers. And a little over a month after that, when I had 1,400 subscribers, I hit my 4,000 watch hours, and my account was approved for review for monetization on November 26, 2019. And then on November 27th, the very next day, my account was monetized. And I just felt so good knowing that I have a new source of income, knowing that I can make money while I sleep, and knowing that all this work wasn't for nothing. And I understand that a full year is a long time to work at something and not get paid, but let me tell you guys, if YouTube is something that you truly enjoy, you enjoy messaging your fans, you enjoy editing the videos, you enjoy being in front of the camera and showing others what you've learned, it is 100% going to be worth it. Also, I'm sure many of you guys are aspiring YouTubers or something like that. I'm still a small YouTuber myself, but I'm sure many of you are aspiring to hit that 1,000 sub count and that 4,000 watch hours. Like I said, guys, this is a community. Feel free to drop your channel name down below in the comments, and why don't we all support one another? I'm not saying sub for sub, but you know, maybe check out the people's channels down below in the comments, and if you like what you see, hit the sub, and you know, smash the like button, all that good stuff. I'm really big on helping each other. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. Potentially looking forward to finding a new channel to watch. But enough of that. I want to hop in my YouTube analytics and show y'all exactly what it looked like when I started gaining subscribers, when I started getting watch time, and just show y'all how in the beginning there's nothing, but then the ball gets rolling, and before you know it, it happened. So yeah, let's look at these analytics. Okay, so we're here in my YouTube analytics, and right now we're focused on the subscriber count. As you can see, over the last 28 days, I have gained 273 subscribers. But looking over the last 90 days, you'll see that I've gained 798 subscribers. That's more than half of my subscribers, and that's the last 90 days. I have been going at this for a year now, and the growth just keeps coming. You can see that as time goes on, the lows just keep getting higher. It's been a while since I've only gained 4 followers in a day. Crazy, because over here I would have days when I wouldn't gain any. So it's crazy that it keeps going up. And taking a look at 365, the full year, you'll see that some days I actually lost subscribers. Like right here, that was within my first month. Yeah, man, people don't like me, but hey, it doesn't matter, you know. It's all good. We're growing. Over the last year, I have gained 1,500 subscribers. Now I don't really focus on my subscribers, or I focus on my views and my watch time. Looking at my watch time over the last 28 days, I've gotten 973 watch hours over the past 28 days. So that's probably about 1,000 over the last month. That's about 25% of what you need actually get monetized. It's crazy that in the last month that I got that. If I've been going at this pace from the start, it only would have took me 4 months like I thought it would have. But going on, over the last 90 days, I got more than half of my watch time. So these last 3 months have been booming in comparison of what was before. And then over the last year, look, all the way up until March 30th, I hadn't really gotten much watch time except for this one day in December where I got 6 hours at the beginning. But I think that's when I first started my YouTube, and everyone was like, what's he doing? And then everyone lost interest, and as you can see, I was getting no watch time. And most of this watch time at this point in time was me watching myself, because you know, you gotta support yourself. That has been my journey for YouTube up to this point. In this point in time, I've been monetized for the past week, and I'm telling you guys, it's so worth it. I 100% recommend anybody who's thinking about starting a YouTube, what are you waiting for? Just do it. Post 1 video a week. Don't try to post a video a day. Don't try to post crazy videos every week, because life happens. Pick something that you can commit to and just stick with it. I say start with 1 video a week. If you want to do more over time, do more over time. But the best thing you can do is just start. And first off, I'd like to say thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're watching this video and haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. Also, be sure to drop a comment down below about what you'd like to see next, what you liked about this video, and share this video with your friends. Don't be greedy. And to those of you who have made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and peace.